Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the DDraw.dll missing or not found error in Windows 10 computer. So the DDraw.dll missing or not found error in Windows 10 is a common issue, especially when running older games or applications. This error occurs because DDraw.dll is a part of DirectDraw, a legacy component of DirectX used for 2D graphics accelerations. Modern versions of Windows have transitioned to newer graphics APIs, and sometimes the old DDraw.dll file is either missing, corrupted, or incompatible. Then I'll show you some solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions that we're going to do is to scan malware. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings. And then once you open up here, then you need to select this update and security. And then here now at Windows Update Security, here at left side navigation panel, then you need to select or tap this Windows Security. And then on right side here, underneath here at Windows Security, and then you need to tap this Open Windows Security. And here now at Windows Security, here again at left side navigation panel and select this Virus and Threat Protections and then click. So here now at Virus and Threat Protections, then you need now to select this Scan Options. And then here now at Scan Options, then you need now to select this Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. So some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. Microsoft Defender Offline can help find and remove them using up-to-date threat definitions. This will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes. So all you have to do is to check the circular icon here, Microsoft Defender Offline Scan, and then once you select, then you need to tap this Scan Now. So once you tap this Scan Now, wait to complete the scanning, and your computer will immediately reboot and begin a deep scan. So after here, at the Windows Security, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to run the SFC and DSIM scan. So all you have to do is to click again on the search menu. And then here you need to type CMD, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to tap this Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and then you need to click yes. And once you open up here at Administrator command prompt, and then you need to type and enter this command keyword sfc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then you need to press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker SFC tool, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete, and the next command keyword that we need to enter. So we need to copy and paste this command keyword dsm space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command. And then we need to paste, and here use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B, and then you need to press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And then the restore operations completed successfully, the operations completed successfully. And then after here at CMD, and then we need to close, and then we need to restart by clicking the power button here at left side corner, click restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.